If you are looking to survive the next heat wave, you need gear that has been through the ringer. I spent 17 years in HVAC after military service as a nuclear power electrician. I do not care about flashy marketing. I care about the amperage, the engineering, and whether the thing will die at 95 degrees. Today we are putting two heavy hitters in the ring, the Friedrich CCV 08A10A and the Soleus Air WS512 HW301. Let us look at the build quality first. The Friedrich is a precision-engineered inverter unit designed for a standard window, but it is anything but standard. It allows you to open and close your window even after it is installed, a major win for anyone who does not want to feel like they are living in a bunker. The Soleus Air WS512 HW301 is a different beast entirely, with a saddle design that straddles your windowsill. This keeps the chassis and noisy compressor outside your living space, giving you a full view and keeping the window functional. It is heavy climbing towards 70 pounds and built for thick walls up to 12.5 inches. When we talk efficiency and tech, we are talking about the heart of the machine. The Friedrich uses precision inverter technology with an EER of 15.1. This inverter ramps up and down smoothly, keeping a constant low draw that is easier on your electrical panel and your power bill. The Soleus Air is also an inverter unit, and it offers 12,000 BTUs of cooling and 10,000 BTUs of heat pump technology. It is efficient for its size, but it pulls 13.5 amps, so you better make sure your circuit can handle the load. Price and utility are where you see the divide. The Friedrich CCV 08A10A sits right around $539 and is fully loaded with Wi-Fi voice control and auto swing louvers. The Soleus Air WS512 HW301 is a premium investment, typically retailing for about $749. You are paying for that specialized saddle design and the added heat pump capability, which is great for the shoulder seasons, but can be loud when working hard. Here is your midpoint maintenance tip: wash those filters. Pull that washable mesh out every 2 weeks. Now, let us talk peace of mind, the warranty. Friedrich backs the full unit for a year and gives a 5-year limited warranty on the compressor. Soleus Air sticks to the industry standard 1-year limited factory warranty. 5 years of coverage on the most expensive part of the machine tells you how much the manufacturer trusts their engineering. So who wins if you specifically need a heater and an AC in one? The Soleus is a contender. But for pure cooling, engineering, reliability, and value, the winner is the Friedrich CCV 08 A10A. It has a higher efficiency rating, better documented sound dampening down to 42 dB, and a much stronger warranty for a significantly lower price. It is the professional S choice for staying cool without the saddle baggage. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC Dash for dashbeginners.com.